y'all, it's Nikki. Here, and I'm going to attempt, I said attempt because I am not a professional, to do a crease cut or cut crease cut, whatever, with eyeshadow. First I was cleaning up my eyebrows because I haven't done that in a very long time. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So I'm not really gonna arch them and make them all like super thin or nothing like that. I just like to clean up the bottom of them. And my eyebrows are pretty short, I think. Like, they stop like right there. I always make them longer because I like long lashes, so I try to make them a little longer than what they actually are. Yeah. And then I just go across the top just barely because I like the thick, well, not thick, because I don't, my eyebrows aren't thick, but I don't want them paper thin either, so I just try to clean them up a little bit and get the little straggly hairs. And that way, if y'all hear any loud talking, screaming, or whatever, it's just the kids. But yeah, like I was saying, I just clean up and try to make it as neat as possible. Don't pay my nails no attention, y'all, because they look a hot mess, okay? That's what happens when you're too cheap and don't get gel polish. Sorry, I got the sniffles. I know y'all don't want to hear that. I'm not gonna do a full face. I'm just gonna do, y'all see that big old bump? Pimple, whatever you wanna call it. I'm just gonna do, eyebrows and eyes. Don't mind what I got on and what my hair look like. I went out today, walking around the lake, trying to get a little exercise in again. I be trying, y'all. It's hard. It is really hard. Y'all see how I went all the way down? Like my eyebrows really that long? Okay. I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame for my eyebrows in the color brown. LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is top. I've been looking at some of y'all videos on here. Y'all have all the different types of brushes and all that fancy stuff. Well, I haven't gotten there yet. So I just use what I have. I do have brushes, but like I don't have like every single eyeshadow brush and all that different types of really small brushes for different types of details and all that stuff. I'm not there yet. Like I said, I'm just doing this part. Like, I'm not doing a full face today. I'm not going anywhere, so I really don't want to waste my makeup. I'm tired, y'all. I got up really early this morning. Okay. I have this old color palette, which don't even have any names on it, but I use the heck out of it, okay? Because I don't care about all that name stuff, like, whatever. And I do have a couple of other ones. This is CoverGirl. And this is another one. Yeah, all cheap. I'll either go to Walmart or to the beauty supply store for stuff. But I mean, I do like Sephora and Ulta Beauty. But I'm on a budget, so I can't go to those stores all the time. I can if I, you know, have a little extra that I don't mind spending, but why when I can just go there and basically have some of the same stuff and create some of the same looks? So hey, that's just what I say, you know. I don't know what I want to do because like I said, I'm attempting this, so I think I'm gonna go in with this brownish looking color. Yeah. Oh boy, I don't know what colors be looking right together, so I mean, I just whatever, go with it. Let's try this hot pink looking color here. Let's just see how it goes. These colors aren't as pigmented like others. But it's okay though. We're gonna work with it. And I just got it on my eyelashes. We're gonna work with it. Then I'm gonna go in with this purple here. I feel like I can't see them. Maybe I should have chose brighter colors. I need a lighter one. Which I probably will be going to stock up on some new things maybe this weekend. Oh. I think I'm gonna go in with this little light color right here. I got another purple that I'm gonna use and see how that one look. I'm so hot in here trying to keep this door closed. I don't think it's working out so good. Oh, maybe I do need to stop being cheap and go and get some real stuff. Cause I ain't liking it. I wanted to show up right. Shoot, I want to look like the other girls. I like theirs. Yeah, I'm gonna keep pushing through with this. I'm gonna keep pushing through. That's what I'm gonna do. That's just what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep pushing through. Oh man, what did I do with that? Oh, y'all see how? I'm so weak at myself right now, but I'm practicing. Shoot. I'm like, B, you need to just stick to what you know how to do, okay? Don't come over here and be trying to do no cut creases and all that extra stuff, because you can't, boo. This is a huge fail. Like, yeah, I'm sorry. I ain't even finna do the other eye. I ain't even finna try. I quit. I'm done. I'm gonna leave it to y'all professionals on YouTube, baby. I'll try again another day. Bye.